Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Macan door handle. First, ensure you have the correct tools, such as a trim removal kit and various screwdrivers. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the battery if working with electrical components. Always refer to your vehicle's specific service manual for detailed diagrams and torque specifications. This guide will help you through each step. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tools, starting from the bottom edge. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and the door release cable. This will allow you to fully remove the panel and gain access to the handle mechanism. Look for the main fasteners holding the handle in place. Next, identify and unscrew the specific fasteners that secure the door handle assembly. These are typically located on the inside edge of the door or behind a rubber grommet. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining clips or small wires that might still be attached, ensuring they are all disconnected. With all fasteners and connections free, the door handle can now be fully removed. Place all components, including screws and clips, in a safe place to prevent loss. Take a moment to inspect the door cavity for any signs of wear or damage. Reinstallation is straightforward, simply reversing these steps. Ensure all connections are secure and the handle operates smoothly before fully reassembling the door.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.